Alright, you guys know my intro?
No.
Hello there, Internet! So today, we are going to be doing a little DIY of, what is this called?
Slimy good jewelry.
Love that for us. Some slimy good. You know how it is. You want to like unwrap those.
Okay.
Do that and unpackage those because we need everything.
I unwrapped them.
What? Already?
This is going terrible.
Oh, it is. It's going so bad. Tell them what?
Subscribe to me.
We don't tell them to subscribe to you until the end of the video.
Oh.
What you need: slimy goop, it's satin cording, foam balls. Oh my god, guys, wait, let's calm down. The mini markers, stickers, the plastic pendants, and the beads. Oh, those are actually really cute. I might put some on my laptop. Oh my god, I want the little pretzel one.
Yes.
That's cute. Oh, the little roller skate. Oh my god, we're getting distracted.
We're getting distracted.
Okay, take a small amount of slimy goop from the container and spread it out on a flat surface.
Wait, what is it?
I need a flat surface.
Nothing in my way. Nothing in your way. Oh dang. Alright,
Subscribe and hit that bell notification.
Yes, sis, do it. So hit the notification bell. You already know.
Okay, good.
We can do a little more. Oh my god. Look at this. It's all slime.
Just came out like that.
I mean, I guess this is a slimy
It's like
surface.
glittery. Oh, this feels so crazy.
I know.
It's like perfect. What?
So we'll just each take like this much. So all this.
That much?
Yes, so take.
It's good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
What am I doing?
You're spreading out your slimy goop.
Ew.
Ew. Use a mini marker to color your choice of color to the slimy goop.
Oh yeah, you color it. Like color the slime.
That's not
and then
possible.
You, like, yeah, I've done it before.
Oh, we have a pro in the building, everybody. Alert the media. Haley says to color it. We're just
Yeah,
gonna
I used to
listen
do it with
the
like
pro here.
highlighter in school.
Go over here. Oh my god, I'm so intimidated.
Oh, can we like how do I just like
You just color on
Just
it.
dot it and then just like mix it up
yeah.
after.
and can I do multicolored?
Yeah, you want to use one of these?
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god, wait, what's happening? Why is yours sticking to the table?
Mine's slipping to the
Wait, what is happening? Why is her doing that?
What? You're ruining my table.
It's
Oh,
sticking.
yours looks so good. That's like a nice blue.
Are you kidding? It's not coming out.
It will, you just gotta put a lot of it and then mix it. And Haley's the pro here, so
Just like
don't take it up with me.
dab it.
Roll it in the palm of your hands to evenly mix. We already did that. Take a pinch of the foam balls and start to mix them in with your slimy goo. Honestly, if you don't want to make a mess, you can probably try to put them in there.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh no. I kind of just want yellow ones in mine.
I did, but that didn't. I wanted just blue, but you know that's not happening.
Hi, give him that profile, sis. Oh yeah, she beat my face earlier.
I don't
She
think
beat
you can
the
see
crap
mine
out
because
of
I'm wearing
it.
my glasses.
Look at your eyes. Look at the colors. See, it shows up. Okay, so we don't know when it stopped recording, but the good news is it probably recorded a lot of it. It didn't. You missed out on a lot. Now we have our slimy goos. Oh my god. We have a dustpan. It'll be fine. Just string them through the cord. Okay, untie this.
Very difficult for me.
Did I cut it to? It's like.
What? Oh.
Oh my goodness.
It's not fitting my head. It's literally not fitting my head.
Probably have other string.
You just use another string.
Oh, there's no more strings.
I should have measured it when I cut it.
I should have too, but listen, you know, everybody makes mistakes, everybody has those days, everybody knows what I'm talking about, everybody gets that way. That's what Hannah Montana herself said, so that's what we live by.
I just feel disgusted by touching this.
Oh, rude, that was my first slime ever.
So
I don't
gross.
have fingers tiny enough to be able to, like, accurately tie.
I have fingers.
Ooh, can you tie mine?
So do I, but
The beads
Oh
fell
my
everywhere. They're just rolling away.
But it's not
it's
my
going
room.
everywhere. Oh my god, there's one all the way by my computer. But at least I got a new jewelry item out of it. I'm gonna wear
Same.
it. That's it for this week's video.
Oh, wait, no, we're making another video. It's not,
I don't
that's
even know
it
what
for
to
this
say.
week.
Thank you so much for watching. This was an entirely mess. Okay, whatever. I don't even know. I'm just saying.
It was good, but kind of bad.
Bye.
Bye. How do we end it?
Just put your hand over the lens.
Oh, this just rolled all over the place.
Later that same evening.
This is my frame, so yeah. This kind of actually fails.
Alright, you guys know my intro?
No.
No. The only one I watch is me in it.
Wow, I see the support. Get out of here.
There's only
Get out of
one
here. You
video.
Go away. We don't need you anymore.
Stay tuned and watch our videos.
Oh, thank you. She doesn't even watch them, so I don't know why she's telling you to, but... Shout yourself out. Go.
So subscribe to.
You have to look at the camera.
Subscribe to.
What, Haley? What is happening? Okay, ready? Take 993 and action.
So subscribe to. Wait.
What? It's just your name. Your channel is just your name, Amaya. How do you not know it?
The name.
I almost threw my scissors away.
Subscribe to Amaya Oriaka. Subscribe. This is How are you guys?
Yeah, both of them.
How's there? Oh, is it live?
Yeah.
No.
Hi.
You're not allowed to tell them that I pre-record my videos.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm just.
What is going on?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. That's the end of the video. Thanks.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope you have a great time watching our video. And the next time we come, we can show you all of our videos. We throw those in our heads. Thank you.
Yeah, bye. Thanks for
Bye.
watching.
Like and subscribe to our video.
Okay, bye.
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 Hope you have a great